Up first this evening, it appears that there is no relief in sight as gas prices surge to record levels for a third consecutive week. Our business reporter Javon Keys has the latest.
Thank you so much, Herman. So smart motorists would have made their way to the gas station to take advantage of these prices on the board, as they won't last for very long. Effective tomorrow, gas prices are going to hit new record highs. Of course, continuing those movements that we've been seeing for the last 3 weeks. So 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $4.50 more effective tomorrow, and that will bring them up by about $13.05 for the last 3 weeks. However, if you're using diesel, ultra-low sulfur diesel, as well as kerosene, those will see slight declines of 25 cents per litre. $1.94 will be shaved off the price of propane, while butane will sell for $2.64 less. Now again, reminding you, these are the highest gas prices have been since at least 2004. But we've been seeing these $4.50 movements for the last 3 weeks at least. And this means that Petrojam is seeing extremely high prices, because based on their price smoothing mechanism, $4.50 indicates the ceiling of those circuit breaker prices, meaning that's the maximum they can pass on to consumers. Now, of course, these movements are being pushed by the Russia-Ukraine crisis, as well as pushes by Europe to institute bans on Russian crude. Of course, I'll give you the latest on global oil movements during the business day later on. Until then, it's back to you in studio, Herman.